Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a Cupshe haul and I'm super excited about it because it is spring, summer, warm clothes, which I'm so excited about. It is finally starting to get warm and sunny and pretty outside. I'm definitely not dressed for it because I am cranking the AC in my house like crazy right now, but I'm so excited. So these are some pieces that Cupshe was kind enough to send my way. It is from their new Austin collection, which if y'all don't know, I am from Austin, Texas, so I love anything Austin related. And I was super excited when they reached out to me. I'm a big Cupshe fan. I've had some of their swimsuits in the past and they're so high quality. Their clothes are amazing and their styles are so cute. Everything looks super elevated and it's sophisticated and stylish, but it's so incredibly budget friendly. So I'm super excited because I feel like they are a perfect brand fit for my life, my channel, and what I think all of you really enjoy. So without further ado, let's go ahead and show you some of the pieces. So first, let's start with the swimsuits. I have to say it is a little bit nerve-wracking to share swimsuits on the internet and I'm nervous about it, but I am doing it so you can see what the quality is like, not for creepy people. So keep that in mind if you are a creepy person. This is not the place for you. Anyways, this is the first one. This is super cute and flattering. I love this like corally salmon color. I feel like it is so pretty. It's actually very similar to the blush that I'm wearing today, so worked out perfectly. It has a cinched kind of cutout in the center here, and you can tighten this to be tighter or looser depending on your comfort. And then it does also have a string in the back so that you can perfectly fit it. I really like one-piece swimsuits, but I really appreciate when it's something like this that is adjustable so it fits your body a lot better. And I feel like this one is just so flattering. It is a high cut, so it makes your legs look extra long, and it is just so high quality. I really love it. It's like the perfect amount of stretch. The quality of the material on the outside is amazing. It's lined with an equally amazing material on the inside, and I just really like it. It does also have pads and they are removable if you wanted to take them out. So I decided to pair that with this set of shorts, which I love. And these are very Austin to me, kind of the like Southwest vibe. These are beautifully embroidered. The material itself is kind of like a linen, and then it has this beautiful threading of all of these flowers. It is an elastic waistband and it is adjustable, and I feel like the length of these is just right. It fits me super well. I feel like they're not too short to where I feel uncomfortable, but they're still short enough to where I feel like I'm not going to be too hot in the summer. They do also have pockets as well in the side, and then there aren't any pockets on the back. And I just think these are so cute. I feel like these would also be really cute with something red and fun and frilly for the 4th of July, but I really like it. I wouldn't wear this shirt with those shorts, but this was the only other shirt that I got. So I wanted to show it off. And it is kind of this like sweater knit shirt. It is definitely more of like a cover up because it's totally see-through. Or, you know, if you're doing that vibe, you can totally do that vibe. I love this green color. It's like a mixture between like a sage and a mint green, and I think it's super pretty. And then it does have buttons, and these are not functioning buttons, but the quality of this is amazing and it's just the perfect weight. I feel like it just looks a lot more expensive than it was. I just really love the color, so I'm excited to wear that in the summer. Speaking of something red that I think would be cute with those shorts, I love this next swimsuit. This one is one of the pieces I was the most excited about, and it is this swimsuit. So again, it is a one piece. It has cutouts on the side. It does have removable pads. And then on the back, it does have a string so you can tighten the straps however you want them to be. And it just feels really nice. This one is more like a ribbed material. Again, great level of stretch, super well structured, high cut, so super flattering and very comfortable. I feel like this is a very practical swimsuit. Like if you're going to a water park or something, it's still fun, but practical, and you're not gonna need to worry about anything falling out. So I really like this one. And again, I think this would just be perfect for the 4th of July. I paired that with this cover up, which is very resort, very elevated and sophisticated, and I really like it. And it is this kind of, I would say it's like a linen-esque material, very lightweight, very comfortable. And then it has these fun little bow ties on the sleeves. It's the perfect length, so it's great for like throwing on after you go to the beach or the pool, just to go to a restaurant, and you don't feel like anything is hanging out. I think this is a very practical cover up. It's exactly what I wanted it to be. The material is nice. It's not too heavy. It's not itchy and scratchy. I think this is just going to be really nice, and it breathes beautifully. So perfect as a swimsuit cover up. The last swimsuit is this one, and this one is so cute. So this one has this adorable checkered print with these fun little flowers. I think they're raspberries maybe. Yeah, they look like raspberries. And I just think this is so cute. I love this blue and white. And then these ruffle sleeves are so cute. These are adjustable, so you can make it fit however you want. It does have removable pads as well, and then it is high cut, but not quite as high cut as the other two. And I just think this one is so cute. This is a very good, like, if you're looking for a more modest one piece, I feel like this is a great modest one, and it is just so cute and fun, and I love the little frills. And I paired that with these bad boys, which are amazing. Look at the material on this. This is just so pretty. They're like almost granny patchwork squares sewn together into these super flattering pants. I love these. I think these are a fantastic cover up. If you're going to Coachella or any other festival, I feel like these would also be great. They're very lightweight. I love that they are a true white. So they're just very bright and vibrant and make you look extra tan, which I need because y'all, I'm so pale. I think these are great. They are sewn really well. The quality is amazing. They're lightweight, but they're not gonna fall apart the first time you wash them. I also really think the length was great. They're not gonna drag on the ground. And I feel like I can just wear these with flip-flops to the beach and not have to worry about them getting completely trashed. Next, I have two dresses that I'm super excited about. So first one I want to start off with is this one. And this one very much reminds me of San Antonio, Texas in the best way possible. I love this floral print. I think this is so incredibly pretty. I don't know what kind of flower it is. It almost looks like a lotus, but I know that it's not. And then it has this beautiful pattern on the edges and these frilly sleeves. I think this is just such a beautiful dress. I love the tiered structure on here, and it's a very soft material. I really like how breathable it is, but it is double lined, so it's not see-through, which I am extra appreciative of. And then the back is this ruched stretchy side. I think this is going to be such a fun summer dress. Like farmers markets, this will be my go-to. And I just think this is beautiful. So I really like this one. And then the last thing from this haul is another beautiful dress. And this one is super beachy and fun. In the try on, I didn't realize there were beads. So you won't see them, but they were hiding in my hair. But this is the top, and it has these beautiful beads on it. And then it's kind of a like cinched, beautiful kind of like triangle top. And the pattern is so pretty. It's very tropical and super beautiful, almost like a watercolor floral, and I really like it. This one is double lined, but it is a little bit more on the sheer side. You could still totally get away with wearing like normal undergarments. You don't need a slip or anything like that. And the straps are adjustable. Again, they have these cute little beads and some ruching, and I think this one is just so pretty. It's very resort, very elevated. I feel like this dress looks like it would be maybe $70 or $80. Definitely not the price that it was. I think it's super flattering. I love the color, and the material is fantastic. Plus, because of this pattern, you can't really tell if it's wrinkled or not. So this is a great travel dress. If you're going to like a fun beach resort, this would be a great addition. So that was everything in my Cupshe haul. I'm very interested to hear what your favorite pieces are. I think mine has to be that white and orange floral dress. I think that is so pretty, and probably that red swimsuit, because I just think that is so cute. But let me know down below what your favorite piece was. And thank you so much to Cupshe for sending these pieces to me and letting me share them with all of you. And thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me and spending time out of your day to watch this fun haul. I hope that you enjoyed it enough to choose to stick around and subscribe. And if you do, I will see you in the next video. And in the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye.